everyone, it is Miss Tony, and I was hoping you guys would play a game with me today. I have some farm animals on my screen, and so I thought we would start with the names of the animals and then move on to some different questions. And I'm going to try to use my core board behind me here too to help us. So let's start with our first one. I am going to ask, where is the pig? So I want you to look and try to find that pig. Ready? Here's the pig. Did you find him? There's our pig. All right, now let's see. We have to, I'm moving myself around. Erase. There, okay, let's move on to our next one. Where is the cow? Look for the cow. Do you see it? Here's the cow. There's the cow. All right, let's erase that. Now, where is the turkey? Look for the turkey. Here's the turkey. Did you find the turkey? Erase. Okay, where is the horse? Look for the horse. Here's the horse. There he is. Erase. All right, our next animal. Where is the chicken? Look for the chicken. There's the chicken. We found him. All right, erase that. Okay, now I am wondering about the sounds that these animals make. So now we're going to use our what question. What animal says quack, quack? Might have a couple answers here. What animal says quack, quack? I'm going to do this one right here. This is the duck. And I was kind of looking at it. I was wondering about this one and this one. And was wondering, how are they different? Oops, we can't see that. Different. This one is our duck. That's our duck. And this one is the goose. He makes a different sound, not the quack, quack. A lot of times they honk, honk. All right, here's our next one. What animal says oink, oink? What animal? This one does. What animal? The pig says oink, oink. And let's erase that. How about what animal says baa? What animal is that? This one, the sheep, says baa. Okay, now let's see. What animal gives us milk? What animal gives us milk? The cow. Did you get that one right? The cow. He gives us milk. Let's erase that How about what animal has horns? Can you look and see what animal has horns? The goat. Can you see him right here? He has 2 horns on his head. The goat. Erase that. Let's see. What animal lays eggs? What animal do you think lays eggs? You know what? My first thought is the chicken lays eggs, but a goose can lay eggs and a duck can lay eggs. They all can. We had 3 answers for that one. Okay, we'll erase that. What animal do people put a saddle on and ride sometimes? What animal do you think you can ride? I think that one is the horse. The horse. Have you ever been on a horse? I have. Let's see, I have a couple more questions for us. Oh, now we're going to talk about some of the animals' babies. What are their names? So my question is, what animal has a baby called a calf? What animal's baby is called a calf? Are you ready? The cow. The cow's baby is called a calf. Erase that. And this will be our last question for today. What animal's baby is called a piglet? That one kind of gives it away when you say it. The animal that has a baby called a piglet is the pig. They have baby piglets. All right, so that is our I Spy. Well, we didn't play I Spy, but our question game with our farm animals. And I will do another video with some different animals coming up next. So I will see you guys later. Thank you.